Hello everyone, I am top astrology astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this video, I would like to tell you about the HDFC bank share price behavior during June to December 2021. Disclaimer: the views expressed in this channel are made to prove my invention, top astrological system, and the equation past is equal to future. I am doing this paper trade to prove my concepts. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Next phase of prediction. So far, I made my reading and prediction on indexes. I found that it is possible to predict with 70 to 80% success rate. Hence, I am expanding my horizons of prediction. I am starting to read the behavior of individual stocks. In my system of reading, first I make calculation, predict the result of that calculation, then look at the result of that prediction. Then based on the result of that prediction, I make my next calculation and prediction. That is, I will repeat the process again and again to get a better result. My way of reading one thing is a process. It may take some time for me to reach my success rate of 70 to 80%. Viewers are requested to take a note of this. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank constitutes a major part of Bank Nifty. As I would like to trade on Bank Nifty, it is a cause of concern for me. I made my research on HDFC Bank according to top astrological concepts. The result I got is that HDFC Bank share price will not see a major price rise in the next 6 months. It will not gain much in the bull run. Maybe a nominal rise you can expect. But when I checked the market experts' recommendations on buying HDFC Bank, it was different. In the moneycontrol.com website, I saw 70% of the viewers recommending a buy for this share. So I thought I can try to read this thing. My astrology system is different from other systems. I don't predict, I only try to read the fate of the subject. That attempt to read the fate results in prediction. I have calculated that the total bull run which I expect is inherent within the time zone 16/6/2021 to 3/7/2021. This time zone is the benchmark I choose. So I watch the behavior of HDFC Bank share price during this zone and equate it with the time zone 4/7/2021 to that is 31/12/2021. That is 16/6/2021 to 3/7/2021 is equal to 4/7/2021 to 31/12/2021, which is past is equal to future. It is one technique which I use to know the future, looking at a particular point of time which is equivalent to this time and which lies in the future, the near future. You can check the price movement of HDFC Bank share price during 16/6/2021 to 3/7/2021. If the share price increased moderately, then we can take that it has the potential for price gain in the next 6 months. In case if the share price did not rise and maintain the same level, or if the price is decreased, then you can take that in the next 6 months, the possibilities of price gain in HDFC Bank is less. So the next question would be, is it going to remain like this forever? Which means in that case that HDFC Bank share price did not rise in the check time. And also the next question, and when HDFC Bank share price will start to rise? The answer is, since 16 to 2021, HDFC Bank share price was not rising. So unless HDFC Bank share price saw a significant price rise, and also when it able to sustain such a significant price rise, then only we can take that HDFC Bank share prices will rise. This is an astrological suggestion only. Viewers are requested to consult a share trading expert before taking a decision. I am not responsible for any profit or loss you make through my astrological suggestion. Clarification. Why and how I am calculating like this? According to top astrological concepts, not all the shares rise all the time. Most of the shares will have its own rising time and own falling time. So systematically I am starting to do the work, that is tracking the price rate and the fall of shares. Initially I may miss few times, but as the process goes on, gradually I will reach the 70 to 80% success rate in individual stocks prediction also. Thank you.